What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Generation Works YouTube channel. And today we're going to be starting to put back together the CRF 250. If you guys haven't been following along with the build, it's a 2005 CRF 250R, and this will be part 4 of the build. And if you guys haven't been following along, in the last part of the build I painted the rims, and as you can see, they turned out awesome. I'll leave a thing up in the corner here if you guys want to go check out that video. I've cleaned all, like, as much as I could, cleaned everything, scrubbed everything, made it look good. About the only thing I haven't cleaned is the exhaust, and I'll show you guys in a video on how to do that, but that'll be in a later video. So I mean, other than that, guys, just enjoy watching me start to put back together this 250, and hopefully it turns out good.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and